Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Lloyds bank account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer first, open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in lloydsbank.com like this and hit enter, and you can see the Lloyds banking page has opened. Now to log on to your internet banking, you can see the personal and the business accounts over here. If you want to log into your business account, click over here, and if you want to log into your personal account, click over here. Both ways, the procedure to log into your account will be the same. And if you have not yet registered for lloydbank.com, you can register from over here. If you click over here, you will be taken to the sign up page of Lloyds Bank. There you will be able to create an account with Lloyds Bank. Now to sign into our page, just click on the personal, and after that you will be taken to this page where you will need to enter your user ID over here and your password over here. And after that you can click on simply continue to sign into your Lloyds bank account. And then guys, this is how you log into your Lloyds bank account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.